Hello everyone, and welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing plants that not only beautify your garden, but also help keep those pesky weeds at bay. These plants are like the helpful neighbors you never knew you needed, working tirelessly to keep your garden looking its best. If you enjoy these tips, be sure to subscribe to Gardening Glory for more. Let's get started. Our first weed warrior is the humble yet incredibly effective creeping thyme. Known for its versatility, this plant is a favorite among gardeners for more than just its beauty. This low-growing herb is a sensory treat with its wonderful aroma and vibrant green foliage. Its fragrance is not only delightful, but also helps deter certain pests, making it a natural ally in your garden. But creeping thyme is not just about good looks. Its ability to spread quickly and cover bare soil makes it an excellent choice for filling in gaps in your landscape. It forms a dense mat that chokes out weeds by depriving them of sunlight. This natural weed suppressant reduces the need for chemical herbicides, making it an eco-friendly option. Plus, it's a haven for bees and other beneficial insects, adding biodiversity to your garden. Its tiny flowers are a rich source of nectar, attracting pollinators throughout the growing season. Plant it along walkways or use it as a ground cover in sunny areas. Its ability to thrive in poor soil and withstand foot traffic makes it a practical and beautiful addition to any garden. You'll be amazed by its resilience and weed-suppressing abilities. Whether you're looking to enhance your garden's aesthetics or create a low-maintenance landscape, creeping thyme is a perfect choice. For shady corners, sweet woodruff is a charming plant with delicate white flowers that appear in spring. Its deep-growing roots create a dense network, making it nearly impossible for weeds to establish themselves. It thrives in moist areas and releases a sweet aroma when cut, perfect for potpourris. Ajuga, or bugleweed, is a vibrant plant known for its colorful foliage and weed-suppressing power. It spreads quickly, forming a thick weed-smothering mat that thrives in partial shade. Its spikes of blue or purple flowers add a pop of color to your garden in spring. Ajuga is a beautiful, low-maintenance solution for weed control. Alamium, or dead nettle, is a whimsical plant with variegated foliage and cheerful, hooded flowers. Its unique appearance makes it a standout in any garden, especially in shaded areas where other plants might struggle to thrive. The silvery patterns on its leaves shimmer in low light, creating a magical effect that draws the eye. Beneath its charm lies a fierce weed suppressor that spreads quickly to shade out competing vegetation. Acting as a natural ground cover, Lamium not only beautifies your garden, but also reduces the need for constant weeding. Its ability to form dense mats ensures that unwanted plants have little chance to take hold. It's particularly effective in dry shade, where many other plants struggle. Lamium thrives in challenging conditions, making it an excellent choice for areas with poor soil or limited water. Its adaptability ensures that even the most neglected corners of your garden can become vibrant and lush. Lamium is perfect for shady spots overrun by weeds. Its silver-marked leaves not only add visual interest, but also help to brighten darker areas. This plant is a true multitasker, combining beauty with functionality to create a harmonious garden space. Its tiny dragon-like flowers add a fairy tale touch to your garden. These blooms, which come in shades of pink, purple, and white, provide a whimsical charm that complements its foliage. Lamium's enchanting appearance makes it a favorite among gardeners looking to create a storybook-like setting. Low maintenance and resilient, it's a must-have for shady areas. Once established, Lamium requires minimal care, making it ideal for busy gardeners or those new to gardening. Its ability to thrive with little attention ensures that your garden remains beautiful with ease. Let Lamium transform your garden's dark corners. With its combination of beauty, resilience, and practicality, this plant is a true garden hero. Whether you're looking to fill a tricky spot or simply add a touch of magic, Lamium is the perfect choice. Vinca minor, or periwinkle, is a charming evergreen ground cover with violet blue flowers. Its trailing vines form a dense mat, effectively choking out weeds. It's perfect for growing under trees and shrubs, adding elegance to neglected areas. Vinca minor thrives in partial shade and requires minimal maintenance. Its glossy leaves and cascading growth make it a standout choice. A beautiful and practical addition to any garden. Sedum, or stonecrop, is a group of succulents known for their drought tolerance and low-maintenance nature. Their fleshy leaves and star-shaped flowers make them a visual delight. Sedum's dense growth habit and ability to thrive in poor soils make it an excellent weed suppressor. It's perfect for sunny, dry areas where other plants struggle. Sedum adds texture and color to your garden while keeping weeds at bay. A hardy, beautiful choice for any gardener. Pachysandra is a reliable evergreen ground cover for deep shade. Its lush, dark green foliage forms a dense, weed-smothering carpet. It's perfect for under trees or in dark corners where other plants fail. Low maintenance and attractive year-round, Pachysandra is a shade garden essential. Mondo grass is a grass-like alternative to traditional lawns that suppresses weeds. Its clumps of narrow leaves range from deep green to almost black, adding texture to your garden. It's drought-tolerant, requires no mowing, and thrives in partial shade. Mondo grass's dense growth habit naturally keeps weeds at bay. It's a low-maintenance, elegant solution for weed control, perfect for borders, pathways, or as a lawn alternative. Clover, often considered a weed, is actually a beneficial plant for your garden. As a legume, it fixes nitrogen, improving soil fertility naturally. Its dense growth habit crowds out weeds while its flowers attract pollinators. Clover is a natural fertilizer and a biodiversity booster. It's a practical, eco-friendly choice for weed control. Let clover transform your garden into a lush, thriving space. Hosta is a shade-loving favorite with large, dramatic leaves. Its wide variety of colors and textures make it a garden standout. Hostas act as living mulch, shading the ground and suppressing weeds. They thrive in moist, well-drained soil and dappled shade. Perfect for planting under trees or in shady borders, hostas add elegance. A stunning, practical choice for weed control in shady areas. So there you have it, 10 amazing plants that beautify your garden and make it a haven of tranquility. These plants not only add vibrant colors and textures, but also create a welcoming space for pollinators like bees and butterflies. They also help in keeping weeds at bay, making your gardening experience more enjoyable. Choosing the right plants for the right place is key to their success, ensuring they thrive in harmony with your garden's ecosystem. Consider your garden's unique conditions like sunlight, soil type, and climate when selecting your green allies. A little planning goes a long way in creating a flourishing garden. Have you tried any of these plants? Or do you have your own favorites that work wonders in your garden? We'd love to hear about them. Share your experiences, tips, and even challenges in the comments below. Your insights could inspire fellow gardeners in our community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gardening Glory for more inspiration, tips, and tricks to make your gardening journey even more rewarding. Together, let's grow a beautiful, weed-free garden that brings joy and relaxation to your life. Gardening is not just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature and create something truly special. Until next time, happy gardening. May your garden continue to bloom and bring happiness to your days.